Today I want to bring your attention to a case that has never been solved. Little Catherine Davidson went missing when she was just 6 years old. Now, I have a strong suspicion that Catherine was killed by her father and stepmother, but no one has ever been charged in connection with her disappearance. Catherine was reported missing on the 1st September 1973, after her family traveled to Warren Dunes State Park in Michigan for a picnic. According to her father and stepmother, while they unpacked the car, Catherine and her 5 older siblings went to explore close by. A few minutes later, all the children returned, except for Catherine. I feel like they were hinting at a possible abduction, but soon some very troubling information started to emerge. Police were called and the area was thoroughly searched. Unfortunately, there was no sign of Catherine anywhere. She was gone, or maybe she was never there to begin with. It was noted that Catherine's parents didn't seem to care much. They seemed to not have a care in the world. Just a few days after Catherine's disappearance, her father and stepmother were seen sitting in a car, drinking, laughing and having a grand old time. Not the behavior of the parents of a missing child. There were many red flags, but absolutely no evidence to charge the parents, and all the siblings basically gave the same story as the parents. Strangely enough, the couple had another daughter after Catherine went missing, and many years later, that daughter said her older sister mentioned another very troubling version about what happened to Catherine. She told police that Catherine never went to Dunes State Park, but was no longer alive. She said the stepmother, Anna, bound and gagged Catherine, and placed her in a closet in the family's home. The kids heard scratching throughout the night, and then the scratching suddenly stopped. When the older sister looked, she saw Catherine in a fetal position, and she was no longer alive. As we've seen in other cases, Catherine's family turned to religion after her disappearance. Anna had exhibited some other harmful behavior towards other children in the church. She was charged in those cases, and received prison time. She served just 33 days in prison, before she passed away at the age of 79. However, no one has ever been charged in Catherine's disappearance. Her whereabouts remain unknown.